Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing material and loading the brush so the paint behaves predictably. Choose a brush that fits the area, then stir and strain the paint to remove skin or lumps so it spreads smoothly. Once done, dip only 1/3 of the bristles into the paint. This prevents dripping and keeps the ferrule clean. Make sure to tap gently on the tray edge and wipe excess on a rag. This control is why your first strokes will look even and tidy. You now make consistent strokes that deliver a uniform film of paint and minimize brush marks. Start with a solid load, place the brush, then pull in long, steady motions following the surface direction. This aligns bristles and levels paint. Once a panel is covered, feather the trailing edge by easing pressure so it blends. Make sure to reload every 6 to 10 inches and overlap the previous wet edge by 30 to 50%. This is how you avoid You complete the job by evening out and cleaning up so the finish lasts. Once the area is covered, scan for runs or pooling and smooth them with light, corrective brush strokes while the paint is still wet. This prevents large ridges. Next, clean your brush in the correct solvent, reshape the bristles, and hang to dry to preserve performance. If marks or texture persist after drying, sand lightly and apply a thinner coat. This troubleshooting step restores an even, professional finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.